This is the instrument of office to a ruling house chieftaincy by the powers conferred on me as the executive governor of Oyo State, and in exercise of the powers, I hereby confer Oba Gandhi Olaoye Orumogege the third as the Sọun of Ogbọmọsọ land. So I will hand over the instrument of office, and I will also hand over the staff of office.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Obviously, you may have your seat. The next thing on the agenda is to hear officially. I'd like to hear officially from the 21st Sọun of Ogbọmọsọ.
Àwọn òdòdó tó jáde ìdán ṣe kábíyèsí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, we are here from Ọba Gandhi Olaoye.
Fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn tí kábíyèsí Ọba Gandhi Afọlábí Ọláoyè tí wọ́n gba ọ̀pá àṣẹ àgbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ láti ẹnu kábíyèsí ẹ jẹ́ á fi ara balẹ̀.
Good afternoon, everybody. Ogbọmọsọ. Good afternoon, Ogbọmọsọ land. Before I read my speech, I want to give honor to whom honor is due, and that is my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, who has made today to be possible for me. This is what He has wanted for me from the foundations of the world. So I give God all the glory today, that which He has purposed in my life, He has made me to be alive to witness it. So I give Him all of the glory. I also want to thank, because God uses human beings to fulfill the love of our dreams and our aspiration, and most especially our destiny. I want to thank my governor, my boss, the governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi, Makinde. Your Excellency, I am most grateful and most appreciative, because you are the one the Lord used to fulfill this destiny of my life. I want to also thank the former Vice President, His Excellency Professor Yemi Osinbajo, that in your busy schedule, you have stood by me and you still found time to come. And also to my very dear friend of many years, and who has always been supportive of the things I do, he and his family, they are delicate families, but I want to honor the governor of Osun State, who is here today. I always feel part of that family. I've also told them maybe I should change my name to their delegates. But thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you. To the governor, to the deputy governor of Kwara State, thank you so much. Former governor for your state, and all the eminent personality, former Minister for Information, and many other people who are here today. And of course, to the royalties that are here today, I really want to thank you, the Oni of Ike, and also my very personal friend, Lulu Okori, to somebody who was my school father when I was in high school, who is also a king, Oba Dokun Abolari. I really honor you. Thank you for your support. And I always consult him for tutelage because he's been doing this thing for so many years. Oba Dokzi, I thank you for all you've done for me in my life. I really, really appreciate you. And to all the other royalties, the Oluwo of Uwo, and many others. My speech is titled My Dream and Reality for Ogbomosọ land. Because we call those things that are not as though they are. And that's why I titled it My Dream and My Reality. Today marks a momentous occasion as I receive my staff of office from His Excellency Engineer Seyi Makinde, the Executive Governor of our great state, Oyo State. I am humbled by this great responsibility of leading the people of Ogbomosọ land as their king.